Hi, Chris here again. I have tuned a little bit more with my CNC milling machine, and I also have get some new end mills that I will try. So today I will try to make my first real part. I will also try to use the manual tool changing that I have never used before. So let's see how it turns out, and yeah, hit that subscribe button, that's always appreciated, and leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, please put a comment if you have any questions. I try to answer them as good as I can. Okay, so first real part that I have made now after the upgrades, and including tool changes. First time I do that also. Seems to be quite good finish actually, much better than I have been able to get before. Yeah, almost like a mirror. Yeah, that I'm happy with that.